Hello everyone, my name is Shaiju Raju. Welcome to my YouTube channel SR Computer Education. Today I am going to continue with ethical hacking series. In the first video of ethical hacking series, I had shown you how to enable two-step authentication in Gmail to protect your account from hackers. When you enable two-step verification, to open your Gmail account from any other device or location, you need to enter Gmail authentication code that is sent to your phone number which you had entered at the time of enabling two-step verification. So this means that you need to have access to your phone every time you want to log in to your Gmail account. Suppose your mobile phone is stolen or you had kept that mobile phone from the location where you cannot reach, then you cannot log into your Gmail account from some other location or device. In this video, I am going to show you how to access your Gmail account even if you do not have access to your phone. So let's get started. Go to gmail.com. Now enter the Gmail ID for which you had enabled Gmail two-step verification. I am entering my ID. Enter the password. Now see, in the previous video I had shown you how to enable this two-step verification. It will ask for the Gmail verification code and which Google will send to the phone number which you had provided at the time of enabling two-step verification. Now suppose if you do not have the phone with you or if your phone has stolen, then you cannot access this Gmail account without entering that code here. Now let's see how to access your Gmail account even if you lose your phone or if the phone is stolen. So I'm giving my code that which I had received from Gmail, that is. Now see here, if you click on this do not ask on this computer, then Gmail will not ask you to enter the code every time when you log in from this device, this laptop or computer which you are using right now. I strongly recommend you do not click on this do not ask again on this computer if you are accessing your Gmail account from some other location. Only tick this do not ask again on this computer when you are accessing your Gmail account from your own laptop at your own home. So I am not enabling it. Now see, when I give the Gmail authentication code that I got from Gmail, I am able to log into my account. Now let's see what settings you need to make to log into your account without that verification code. So go to your profile setting here, go to my account, then go to sign in and security. Now in the signing and security, go to two-step verification. Google will again ask your password to verify that the person who is making change is the owner of this Gmail account. So again enter your password here. See, it will again send the verification code because I had enabled two-step verification on this phone, on this Gmail ID. Now see here, in this page there is a option called backup codes. These are the backup codes that you need to save somewhere at the location where you can easily access it, and you have to protect this code from other users, because if anybody get this code, then they can log into your Gmail ID even without the one time, even without the Gmail verification code. So show this code. Now see here, there are 10 codes that are given by Gmail. So save these 10 code somewhere. Now I had already used one code, so Gmail is showing that now only 9 codes are remaining, but you can get new codes by clicking on this get new code. So save this code. Now I will log into my this Gmail ID. Now I will try to log into my this Gmail ID directly with the backup code that I had shown you. Now suppose I access my this Gmail ID from some another location and I do not have my phone with me, then how to log into your ID? Now see here, it is asking me for password, so give the password. Now see, it has sent my verification code to this mobile number, but this mobile I am not having access to this mobile right now, or suppose my mobile is stolen. Then go to here, more options. See here, enter one of your 8-digit backup codes. I had shown you where these 8-digit backup codes are stored, so click on it. Now enter the backup code. I am entering my own backup code. The backup code for different Gmail account is different, so you have to enter your backup code. You have to be very careful in entering this code, because if you make mistake here, then Gmail will not allow you to log in to your this account. Next. Now see, just entering the backup code, I am able to log into my account. So this is how you can log into your Gmail account even if you do not have access to the phone number that you had given at the time of Gmail two-step verification code. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video had helped you. If you think that you got some information from this video, share this video with your Facebook friends, WhatsApp group, so they can also know how to access the Gmail account if you do not have access to your mobile number. Thank you. See you soon in next video.